Hey everybody, this is Shane from Greenstone Services, and today is the beginning of a vlog challenge. We'll see how this goes. While I was taking a little 15-minute break yesterday, I saw that a person that is becoming an acquaintance to me, Alex, was starting this challenge. Now, if you don't know Alex, here is a link to his channel. Should be up here. With his vlogging challenge, he's going to be vlogging over the next 7 days, every day. I figured, why wouldn't I join him? Yeah. What is the point of doing a daily vlog? Why would somebody go through that, really? There's multiple reasons. I won't really say that I am a filmmaker yet, but what I will say is I'm aspiring. So, okay, back to the point. Why would somebody take on doing a daily vlog? I wonder. Well, the reason is simple. Tell a story on a daily basis, and it will force a person to get better at what they do. So instead of just cut, and here's my video puke, please take a look at it, I'm going to try to do this in an interesting way. Sure, every day's mundane life really wouldn't make a great video, but there's a reason why. It's because people put too much in, or they leave out critical details, or they don't finish up what they say they're going to do. Like, for instance, today, my day is going to be this. I need to finish a contest entry for Epic Edit video challenge from Sven and a partner of his. You might not get a script. You might get a script. It's a lot of freeform type stuff, but the thing that's key about editing is you need to know the material. If you know the material and you catalog it before you start, you'll do a lot better than just watching one part and cutting pieces out of it, and then watching another part and cutting pieces out of it. If you really watch the material and absorb it, then you can tell a story, and sometimes you can tell a story that they didn't intend to tell with what they give you. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to get off here, I'm going to get that done, because not only do I need to do this with the video stuff, which is just, it's fun, it's what I like doing, it's my hobby, but I also run a business, and I've got a computer that I've got to get today, should be arriving, and I got to get that taken care of for a customer, get all the bloat junk that they send on them off of there, make sure with the stress test that it's going to be a good machine for them. That should be putting me in a good place, because after that comes the getting ready for the kids to come home. Anyway, I know that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but in between now and whenever this video goes up, and I'm guessing I'll try to have it up at 3. That's my goal. I will have this video, a story, for you together at 3 o'clock. So here we go. Okay, so that does that. We need to go get that computer. So, let's go. Whoa, there you are. Alright, so the great thing is with what I've done so far, I've got that video done. It's all cut, the music is there, and I changed it a whole lot from what you're going to see on the screen just a little while ago. But that's okay, because I finally found what I felt like was the voice for that story, and I'm happy with it. Next thing on the agenda, get to the office, well, the other office. That way I'm where I need to be, so I can pick up a computer that's there, get it on a test bench, and make sure that it's good for the client for tomorrow, and we will be done for the day. Haha, let's head out. thing about our wonderful delivery system is that is supposed to have been here already. I could tell whenever I pulled up, it's not. No computer. Why don't you visit with log? Long of the short is, it's not the end of the day, although it does put a kink in the day. Okay, let's get you guys over here. Now, I'm curious to see how long it's going to take FedEx to get here, because the last time that they delivered a package, they didn't bother actually putting it here. They gave it to somebody else, and whoever got it, they were like, free stuff, cool. Gee, what a strange thing. It's almost like they're just trying to get things out of whack today. I just don't get it. Sweat it in. So while I wait, why don't I fix my watch strap? Okay, here we go. Alright, so there's the update. FedEx never showed up, and well, that's the end of the day. Hopefully it will be here sometime this evening, right? Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow.